Hello, foodie friends! Welcome back to our kitchen, where today we're whipping up the most irresistible no-bake strawberry cheesecake bites. These little bursts of creamy, fruity goodness are perfect for parties, picnics, or just satisfying your sweet tooth. They're super easy, no oven needed, and oh so pretty. Here's what you'll need. 24 fresh strawberries, 8 ounces cream cheese, powdered sugar, vanilla extract, strawberry puree, graham crackers, and optional white chocolate. Look for bright, ripe strawberries and make sure your cream cheese is nice and soft for that perfect creamy texture. Step 1. Let's prep those gorgeous strawberries. Wash them under cold water, pat dry, and slice off the tops. Use a melon baller to hollow out the centers. Be gentle. We want perfect little cups for our filling. Step 2. Time to make that dreamy cheesecake filling. Combine cream cheese, powdered sugar, vanilla, and strawberry puree. Beat with a hand mixer for 2 to 3 minutes until smooth and fluffy. Oh my, doesn't that look scrumptious? Step 3. Pipe the mixture into each strawberry, creating lovely swirls. They look like little works of art. For extra elegance, dip in melted white chocolate. This glossy finish makes them absolutely irresistible. Finally, add that classic cheesecake crunch. Crush graham crackers and sprinkle over the tops. Pop these beauties in the fridge for at least 1 hour to set. Trust me, the wait is worth it. Look at these stunning bites. Perfect for birthday parties, baby showers, or any celebration. Each bite is creamy, fruity, and crunchy pure dessert magic. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share your comments. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time with more delicious treats.